On this video, we're going to be talking about ways to pay your vehicle off faster. 7 strategies to pay your vehicle off faster. Too many times over the years, I've seen customers where they get a 6-year car loan and they actually keep it the whole 6 years at the same interest rate, especially if it's a 15% interest rate, 18%, 20%, 25%. The key is to refinance your auto loan. So in this video, we're going to talk about 7 strategies that will help save you time, money, interest, and then also be able to take your money and do something else with it instead of paying for your car loan 2 or 3 times. Number 1, refinance your car loan. Refinancing to lower your interest rate will save you money or interest, will potentially allow you to pay off your loan faster, especially if you can maintain the same monthly payment. But too many times I see customers take a 6-year loan out, they paid into it 1 year, so they have 5 years left, but they go to their credit union or another financial institution and they take another 6-year loan out. Now the key to refinancing your auto loan is to lower your interest rate and shorten your term. That's the key. Now, number 2, I hope you got your pencil and your paper ready, is to make biweekly payments. Instead of one monthly payment that's due on the 15th or 18th or whatever, whenever it's due during the month, you make biweekly payments. Make half of the payment every 2 weeks. Look at your calendar when you get paid. If you get paid every 2 weeks, pay your payment every 2 weeks. Instead of one monthly payment, make half of your payment every 2 weeks. If you get paid once a month, you can still pay twice a month. Now this results, when you pay every 2 weeks, this results in 13 full payments per year compared to 12, accelerating the payoff process and reducing the amount of interest. Now number 3 is a huge one. Make extra lump sum. You guys know tax time. Tax rolls around every year. For the individuals or the customers that gets a lot of money back, make a lump sum payment on your loan, on your auto loan. The key to this is telling your finance company to take that lump sum and put it toward the principal balance of your loan, not to your monthly payment. If you pay extra on your car loan and your monthly payment changes the next month, that means they did not apply your lump sum to the principal balance of your loan. When you're paying your car off faster and you make that lump sum payment, your monthly payment never changes. So it's tax time, or you get extra money working overtime, or just extra money, put that money toward the principal balance of your loan. That'll help you pay your car off faster. And that's number 3. Now this 4th one is a doozy. It makes sense. You could probably do this every month. Is round up your payments. Increase your monthly payment a small, consistent amount. Even round up to nearest 50 or the nearest $100. This can make a significant difference over the time of your auto loan. Both reduce your principal and the interest that you're paying on your automobile. And that's number 4. Number 5, avoid or cancel any add-on expenses. If you finance optional add-ons like extended warranty or gap insurance, canceling them might lead to a prorated refund, which can be applied toward the principal balance, reducing your overall loan amount. Now, there's one thing that I do not recommend. If you have a warranty on your vehicle, I say you never cancel your warranty. Why? Because a warranty is protection if something happens with your automobile. So that's one thing I would say never do, is cancel your warranty. Now, add-ons are tire and wheel, gap insurance. Personally, I get tire and wheel on every vehicle that I get. Why? It's because the dealership where I work at, is privately owned, and we have one of the worst streets in the area. But just to let you know, people that are watching this video, we are building a state-of-the-art dealership that will be on Telegraph. Telegraph is one of the best roads around. So will I still get tire and wheel after we move to another dealership? Yes, I will, because we still have a lot of potholes in the city. Now, number 6. Now, number 6 is going to be a long one. Adjust your budget. How do you do this? Number 1, reduce dining out. Drink an adult beverage, alcohol, Go during happy hours so that you can reduce the cost of your drink. You eat out, look for coupons that are offered at different restaurants, or plan to go out. Don't do spontaneous far as, oh, I want to eat out. Pack a lunch. What does that mean? Go to the grocery store. And when you go to the grocery store, have a list. Do not go in and do spontaneous shopping when you go to the grocery store. Have your list. Number 2, when it comes to cutting your budget, cancel your memberships. Maybe you have a gym membership. Do you have a treadmill at home? Do you have a bike at home you can ride? Is there a track where you can walk outside or you can run? During COVID, I canceled my membership. I haven't been back to Planet Fitness because during COVID, I bought a treadmill and I bought a Peloton. Now my Peloton membership is not active, but I can ride in 2 speeds. I believe it's called 2 speeds. I can ride in 2 modes where I do not have to pay for a subscription. But I have a treadmill I've already paid for. So I do not have that $45 membership every month at Planet Fitness. Or even if it's on special now of $19.99. Well, let me know. Let me run $45. When I was paying that $45 membership to Planet Fitness, $45 times 12 was $540. The only thing I have to do now is if when I want to work out, if I'm downstairs in the kitchen, I'll walk upstairs, go to the left, jump on my treadmill, and I exercise. I do walking or I do jogging. So I'm saving that $540 a month by not having a Planet Fitness membership. Number 3, lower my utility bills. Reduce my energy by turning off the lights in the house, not leaving the light on all day. Reducing my energy bill, my thermostat. But right now in Michigan, it's about 85, 90 degrees. I am only home from 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. at night to 7 in the morning. So during the day, I don't leave my air on. That's how I'm able to reduce my energy costs. And then also what happens is I only leave my appliances plugged up for what I need to use. For instance, my refrigerator and stove, of course, that stays plugged up. All the TVs in the house, you can only watch one TV at a time. I have one TV in my living room, one TV in the bedroom, then I have a TV in another bedroom, and then also in my workout room. So I have a total of 4 TVs in the house. Can't watch 4 TVs at the same time, so I watch one TV, and when I'm done with that, I unplug it. And then when I go to bed at night, I do not sleep with the TV on all night. I turn the TV off. For years, I kept the TV on all night because it was my company. Next one is shop smart. Make a shopping list and stick to it. Compare prices and avoid impulse buys. Plan. Make a list. I talked about that early on. Plan and make a list. Then consider cash. Using cash can make you more aware of spending and help you avoid spending. Because if you go in your pocket to go get the cash and you don't have any, you know you can't do it. But if you know you always got a card in your pocket, a credit card, that's impulse buying. Now, the next one, negotiate the bills. Negotiate the bills with your service providers. For instance, your internet, if you have Infinity or AT&T or whatever state you live, no matter what your bill is, they always offer discounts. If you don't ask, you won't receive. If you tell them that your internet company or your service provider with your cable or your Comcast, if you tell them that you are looking to go somewhere else because you can't afford it or somebody's giving a better deal on the internet or streaming, then they're going to look at ways to find you a discount. The next one is reduce debt by prioritizing paying down your high interest rate debt. That's a whole separate video. We're not going to get into that one. The next one, consider used items. Look for gently used items. For instance, used clothes. Going to shopping mall and getting it brand new. Sometimes you can go sliding used. I know they have Goodwill Industries. They have Salvation Army. These clothes are slightly used. The next one is reducing housing costs. Consider moving in a place that you can afford, or get a roommate. If you have a 3-bedroom house, why not get a roommate to help pay your rent? That will help reduce your budget also. So I hope this video helped you. It helped me because I enjoy making it for you. But if you watch the entire video, you got to do me a favor. You got to subscribe to my channel. And then you'll be notified every time I drop a video, or leave comments in about them. I try to make sure I read all the comments, or I have my assistant read the comments, and then we try to respond. And if we don't, if you have any questions and you're looking to buy a car and you're in Michigan, or if you're in another state and you want to get a car from the Queen of Car Loans, you just don't have to be in Michigan. You can be in any state and buy a car from the Queen. You can go to my website, reginathequeenofcarloans.com. reginathequeenofcarloans.com. Put that credit application in 24 hours a day. I'm going to make sure Regina, the Queen of Car Loans, is at the bottom of the video. And if you want to put a credit application in, go to the bottom of the screen, which will be on the bottom of the screen during the entire video. Regina, the Queen of Car Loans with S.com. Regina, the Queen of Car Loans.com. Again, that's www.reginathequeenofcarloanswiths.com. Put that credit application in 24 hours a day. You can also look at the inventory. I sell brand new Chevys, Buick, GMC, brand new Fords, and we have over 500 cars in stock between all 3 dealerships. And guess what? We do deliver. All right, see you in the next video.